pictures of this thing when I put it together, but I guess I
I didn't realize it broke down that far.
well, the thought was to leave it together, but we could. We can absolutely leave it together. All of this, once I get it together, it would have to go in there wrapped up. That's it.
Yeah.
I do have it the long way around.
This seems like the.
Okay, so there's a long piece of PVC and some weights. That PVC is here. You put 20 pounds on this one and 20 pounds on that one.
Gotcha.
On that one piece.
Push that whole thing down.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're doing anything that's going to be helpful to the next generation, let me know, and I will videotape you explicitly. So.
So last year when we put the track up, we
Yeah.
actually put it up backwards. So we started with the finish line and came to, as the finish line goes in, then the next one, the next one, the next one.
Okay. Are the sections labeled at all, or are they?
They are. So it goes like F, C, C, D, C, B, A. You'll see it when we take it apart. Maybe that's
A, B, C, C,
B,
F.
B, F or something.
How did we come up with that form of the alphabet?
That's just the way they did it. I don't,
I think it's that there's an extra section in there
Yeah.
that
the
for
same
some
size.
reason
and we probably wanted a longer track
we wanted a longer
instead of
track.
having a shorter track. So that's why we have that.
Huh.
You sure this PVC goes into these holes?
It
It don't go into these holes unless I got the wrong piece of PVC.
You know what we did? No, it won't go in there. It sets on top and we'll tape it.
Okay,
Is that what we
all right,
did?
that makes more sense.
We have other small pieces of PVC, but that's what we were using before when we had them split track.
Because that's the original one that fits in those holes.
Do we have tape?
Yes.
Possible.
If not, I brought some blue packing tape in my what I do need is some nuts.
Mhm.
The nuts that go with the starting gauge.
All right, Todd. Describe for the audience what you're doing here. Putting a starting gate or a
Putting
finishing
this
gate.
finishing timing system together. And so in order to have this in correctly, you have to have it set like this. And this long end right here with the hole here, because you're gonna hook up to that, which hooks to that. Just like that. I believe how that's how it's gonna go. But we'll see.
All right.
And it's easier if you put all one side on and then flip around and put the other side on. There's 8 lanes and it's a long way around.
Bolts, but I can't find the nuts.
All the extra stuff I sat out over there.
Set out over where? Like where I'm looking?
Yep, pretty much. You know what? Actually, we might just leave this. We might just leave this all together and wrap it up in bubble wrap and put it in one of these.
It must
That sounds
something.
like a beauty idea.
Yeah, it does.
Just so somebody doesn't have to go through all of this mess. Because it is a mess. Because I have
If
to
I'm gonna
figure
be on
out.
that team next year, I'm not gonna be the one putting that thing together. I don't have those kind of abilities.
Oh, it's not that bad. It's like putting a puzzle together. I mean, though it's really not that bad actually. It's really not. It could be a lot worse. sure these are in the right order.
What's your knee doing these days?
Maybe my Achilles tendon.
Is that what it was?
Testing, 1, 2.
Yes. How's your Achilles tendon?
How do we sound?
Great. It's good. I moved the caskets.
So bring to it.
It's just me and Rita, so yeah, we're good to go. Am I ready for
Testing,
combat? Nope.
testing, testing.
I think we're just gonna wrap this.
All right, let's go. Look at what you got.
Alright,
with you.
so
Yes.
tables for all of them, they go here. We're gonna need probably 2 or 3 tables for registration and maybe 2 tables down there by the vending machines on that side of the bar for pit picker. Yeah.
I'll go on that stuff.
Here. Good.
Nuts, man, nuts.
And we're all right here. All that extra stuff is all right there. If there's anything else, the only other one there is in here. There's 1 nut. If we have to go, here's some nuts. You need a nut?
No, I need bigger nuts than that. I need man-sized nuts, not little.
What are you looking for?
The nuts to put the starting gate on.
They're on the starting gate.
The nuts are right here.
Let's see.
Where's the starting Nuts on.
I hate when I lose my nuts. You can delete that from the video. Strike that from the record.
I think he already got me saying man-sized nuts.
Yes.
Oh yeah, and then down there on the end, we'll need some more tables for the bake sale too, like right in front of the kitchen.
So 2 tables.
Yeah.
Alright.
See, after you do this once, it becomes, you get PTSD from it, so you remember it.
Can I get one of you to help me?
I can help you if I can get this thing in here.
I'd ask the cameraman to help me, but he's busy.
Careful with that.
What the hell's going on? Ah, there we go.
Now where the other screws are.
I think we might.
Don't say a word.
I'm not. I'm not.
I think we're about to. No.
Oh no!
You're saying a word.
As soon as I get this in there, is when I videotape something else.
Pull it up some, up a bit more. Down.
So the only thing that changed from last year to this year is I gotta have glasses to see it.
Is what?
You gotta have glasses to see all this small stuff.
This is my first year with them, so. Oh, yeah? Yeah. All the stuff I always do them with my church.
Come on.
This is what we had on the farm last year. So,
Okay. Just all up against the wall, or do you want
no, it was out.
space?
Oh.
Yeah, come out from the wall.
Yep.
I just need space in between.
So yeah, so we'll have, so we just need a little bit of room back there, so volunteers can hurt the kids
Sticky fingers today.
whenever they're voting.
It's also all that graphite on my face.
Man.
I really, it's,
We'll keep it extras in the backup here.
Put that somewhere. And you know, Scott, Howard, we sort of talked about this the other night.
What caliber you
Was,
do that? You just do them all, or?
maybe doing this at the church instead of here.
7 mag.
Right.
But they've got upward going on.
I know, but we
Not
have
in
the
the, not Wesley Hall.
Wesley Hall. It's still usable.
We important that